So how to import project into Eclipse. So in this video, we will see that how to import existing project into Eclipse. So there are two kinds of a project. One is the project which developed in Eclipse and you want to import that project, or the project which is developed in different IDE, something like IntelliJ, and you want to import that into the Eclipse. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about how to import the project which is already developed in the Eclipse. So in the screen, you can able to see that in the first case, let's say some developer, they are developing the project into Eclipse and they will just export that into the folder. Okay, so they will do the export. Now you will take that project into your system, maybe from email or maybe from GitHub, right? So in your system, now what you have to do, you have to import that into the Eclipse, right? So how can we do that? So to import that into Eclipse, we have a steps. So we will see what are the steps to import from folder to the Eclipse. So we have to do the import. So this is the first case. It's very simple. When you are joining the new organization or when you want to start working on the existing project, right? You just have to do import project into your Eclipse, right? Which is already developed in Eclipse. But when it is not developed in Eclipse, that is the second case. So now let's see that. Let's say this is developed in IntelliJ. So they will do the export. Okay, and now you are taking that project and now you want to import into the Eclipse. So now how we will do? So there are two kind of a case, right? One is the project already developed in Eclipse and one project developed in other ID other than Eclipse, right? So we will gonna see two kinds of a case into the practical. So when we are developing a project from Eclipse, okay, when we are developing a project in Eclipse, Eclipse is generating one kind of a file, that is the dot project file. Okay, so in your folder structure, you will able to see this dot project file. So whenever you are taking the folder structure of project, what you are doing, you are taking this project file as well. So when you are importing into Eclipse, Eclipse know that what kind of a project it is, because Eclipse can able to read this project file. Okay, so that is why it is easy. But when you are using any other IDE like IntelliJ, IntelliJ will have their own file. So when you are taking the project, you are getting the IntelliJ file. Now if you want to import project into Eclipse, it will be little bit tricky, right? So let's see in practically how can we do this. So here you can see on the left hand side, I have my folder structure, and on the right hand side, I have my Eclipse. Okay, so what I want to do, I just want to import my existing Eclipse project into the Eclipse. So I'll just close the welcome screen, and on the left hand side in the Eclipse screen, here you will able to see one tab, that is the Package Explorer, right? So that you are getting one option, that is the import project. So just click on that. So it will open one dialog. If you are not getting the option, you can directly click on file and import button. Okay, it will open the same dialog. Now here you are getting many options. So if you want to import the general project, or if you want to import the project from Git, if you want to import the Gradle project or Maven project, right? So different technology project. And first tab is the general, right? So here you are getting one option, that is existing project into Workspace. So we already have a project which is developed in Eclipse, right? That is the first case. So I can just select the option, that is the existing project into Workspace. I can select I can give my folder path. Okay, it will find my project on this folder. Okay, and that project is the Orange HRM framework, right? So let's click on finish, and you will able to see that you will able to see your project into the Eclipse. So now from the folder structure, we have imported project into the Eclipse. So now you can see my project is imported, that is the Orange HRM framework. So now you have a question like I have a folder name which is Eclipse project, and here we are getting the folder name Orange HRM framework. Why it is happening, right? So here you can see Eclipse project, and here what we are getting Orange HRM. Why? Because this is the project which is already developed, right, in the Eclipse. So you will able to see there is a one project file. So if you have this project file, you can directly import any project into the Eclipse. So you have to just check for this project file. So let's open this project file and let's see how what are the content of this project file. So inside this project file, first thing you can see it's a name. So when you import the project into Eclipse, it will not take this folder name, that is the Eclipse project. No, it will take name from the project file. So that is why the dot project file, it's a Eclipse file. Eclipse can able to understand and get the all information from this project file, right? So that is why we are getting the name, that is Orange HRM framework. So you can see here Orange HRM framework. Then we have some other configuration for the Eclipse. So Eclipse will able to understand what kind of a project, which technology project this is. Okay, and based on that, it will import the project. Perfect. Now let's see the second case. So in the second case, you are developing a project into some other ID like IntelliJ or NetBeans. Then you are exporting into folder. You are taking that project, and then then you are trying to import into the Eclipse, right? So I'm talking about the project where you don't have this project file. So let me just delete this. Okay, I deleted the project file, and let me just delete this project as well. And let me just try to import again. So let's import existing project into workspace. I'll give this path, and once you click on browse button, select this folder, you can see no projects are found to import. Why? Because there is no project file. So if there is no project file, this project is developed in some of the other ID, right? So if it is developed in other ID, then we don't have a project file and we cannot able to import into the Eclipse. So how can we import? So for that, once you click on import button, once you click on import dialog, you have to, first of all, you have to identify which kind of a project it is. Is this a Java project? Is this a Maven project? So you have to identify the technology. So you can see in this project, you have a pom.xml. You have a pom.xml. So you can able to understand it is a Maven project. So now you have to go with the technology wise. I have to import the Maven project. So existing Maven projects. This is the existing Maven project because you have a pom.xml. So just click existing Maven project, select the path and select the folder. Now Eclipse got the pom.xml, that is the Maven project. Click on finish, and now you got the Orange HRM framework. Okay, so now whatever configuration Eclipse is taking, it is from pom.xml. Okay, it's a Maven project. So now if I open the pom.xml, you will able to see that it is also having a name which is Orange HRM framework. So here if you are giving some different name and you are importing the project, then it will take this name, whatever we have given inside the pom.xml. Okay, perfect. I hope it is useful to you. Now you are clear that how to import the existing project into workspace or how to import technology project into the workspace. Thank you.